As this uptrend develops, Bollinger Bands width generally increases. Then once values begin to plummet, there's an indication of a drastic slowdown to the uptrend. And once values begin to flatten out at these much lower ranges, a distinctly new phase has begun on the chart that centers around this horizontal range where there's naturally lower activity for the time being. In the short term, there's recently been another minor downswing, taking price into the lower half of this range, while at the same time there's been a minor but noticeable increase of the Bollinger Bands Width indicator. Now with that strong close under the lower boundary of this range, accompanied by the return of higher volatility, as shown by the steep increase of this indicator's values, a decisive bearish reversal finally begins. But the strength behind that initial break isn't sustained for long, as there's a rapid shift back to lower volatility. At the same time, an overall decrease in selling pressure leads to a neutral to slightly bullish stance developing,